Today, I will be talking about Zoo Money. Zeusnet is a new money app which you can participate by claiming an airdrop. Currently, they have 1 billion total supply and it is still in an early stage which you can quickly participate and earn more Zeus. Now, how to participate? Just download the app on your Play Store. When you download it, register. When you register, link will be sent to your email for verification. That email, your PIN for your transaction PIN will also be included. That PIN can still be changed if you want to change it to your any of your favorite PIN which you can easily remember, maybe by your date of birth. So now many people are stuck during starting money after registration, and maybe you must have verified it on Play Store. When you activate it, now you come to the app and you want to click on money button, yet it will say first of all send zero first. That is where many people are stuck. A red phrase will appear that say send zero to a wallet address before you can participate. Now many people are confused here. Now what you need to do on the address we provided, remember when you register you will be given two free zeros. You will be given, as I repeat, two, which the DAO will give you automatically for free for registration. Among that two, you are going to send either, but when I did mine, I only send 1 0. So what you will do, you will copy that address, that wallet address that I will be putting on my description box below. When you copy my address or any address or any other Zeus address, not your own address, because you can't send Zeus from your address to your address. You copy someone else's address. When you copy it, what you will do is to go to your menu, click on send Zeus on your app, click on Zeus, send Zeus. When you click on send Zeus, you will paste that Zeus address you copy and paste it on that box. You can just number you want to send, you can put 1 or 2, or you can even try 0.50 and send it to that wallet. When you send it to that wallet, it will say successful. That is when you can proceed in mining Zeus. Go and click on start Zeus. When you click on it, during the process, it will ask you to put your PIN. When you are sending Zeus, it will say insert your PIN. You say either your PIN or the PIN you have changed. If you did not change it, use the manual PIN. That PIN on your email. Go and copy. We'll find the PIN there. Copy it and put it on for your transaction to be successful. When you put the PIN, your Zeus transaction will be sent successfully. That means you have successfully sent Zeus to that address or to any other Zeus address before you begin your money. Now, this is a promising airdrop cryptocurrency which will be launched later. It is advisable to participate in early airdrop like this because it will be beneficial at the long run. Now, many of our airdrop, most of them, 80% of it, or let me say 60% of it are legit, while 40 become a scam. But they may not be scam, maybe community, they have a low turnout on their project. At the end run, they will be frustrated and dump the process. Why many that have huge community always become successful, especially those that don't have too much ad on their platform. At the time of doing this video, Zoo Network still don't have ads on their platform. It is profitable to participate in an early airdrop like this so that you can become a way on Zeus Net. This is the step-by-step tutorial on how to register and claim your Zoom. Let me say this is your Zoom. You have not begun your menu. Go to your menu and click on send zeusnet. When you click on this send zeusnet, it will open like this. That address, paste it here, you copy. You can see on my description and input the amount. Let me say I want to send just 1 zoo. You must send it to someone before you can proceed in mining. Now go to your email. It will ask you enter the pin that you have created or the one they sent to you, the manual one. Since you have not created one, go to your email. You will find the manual one which was sent to you during your verification. These are the pin. You say your pin transaction number 867264. That is my own. Also use yours. Don't use this one. Use the one in your email. These are the pin that you are going to copy. You can't paste it there. You have to tap it one accordingly, one after the other accordingly. That is the pin. Then I will come and put the digit pin, the 6-digit pin here. Make sure that they are correct. After successful, put them here. Click on submit. I won't submit them because I have already verified mine. So I will show you an illustration. Then it will show transaction successful. Then you will come here and click on start mining. You will click on start mining. It will be showing green. Why? Because I've already begin my mining. That is the end and the tutorial. You are good to go to start claiming your coin. Thank you. Subscribe and share our video.